So good morning everyone. So as we were discussed that the valve, control valve. So in the control valve in the classification we were discussed directional control valve, PCV, that is FCV flow control valve, and here pressure control valve, that is PCV. And they are according to the actuation spool type or puppet type. So these are the, so today we will discuss about which one, that we will discuss about directional control valve, that is in the pneumatic control system. In a directional control valve, and we can say we will see the what is the symbol. The basic symbol for control valve is a square. Two or more square are used, each square representing the switching position provided by the valve. In two position, two square. In three position, three square, as you can see here. Then see another graphical representation. The line in the box are used to show the flow path, with arrow indicate the direction of flow, and shut-off position will be indicated by the line draw right angle to the horizontal line inside the, that is means T section. If T, that means it will be a shut-off position or non-flow. Then we will go for the pipe connection. You can see the pipe connection. There are 4 pipe ports are there. Pipe connections are there. So the pipe connection at inlet and outlet port of the valve, indicated by line draw the outside the box and right angle to the horizontal line. The first position of the left side indicate the rest, initial or neutral position when the valve is not actuated. That means in the left side the valve is not actuated. The second position, the square in the left side indicate the actuation position. The square in the right side is actuator position. Graphical representation is single position, two position, three position with pipe connection. Directional control valve ensure the flow of air between the air port by opening and closing and switching their internal connection. Their classification is determine the number of port and number of switching position. Normal position of the valve is method of operation. Common type of directional control valve, that is 2 by 2, 2 position 2 port, 3 by 2, 2 port 2 position by number of port and number of switching position. 3 position 3 port 2 position, 5 port 2 position, 5 port 3 position, 5 by 2 5 ports or 5 connection 2 position, 5 by 3 5 ports 3 position. The first number represent the port and second number represent the position. The directional control valve that has 2 port and 5 position can be represented. See 5 by 2 5 port and 2 position. 2 by, what do you mean by, and then first we will discuss about 2 by 2 directional control valve. It is very simple. It is use the thrust for spring to open and close the valve, stopping the air compressor from the flowing towards the So there are in the 2 by 2 connection there are 2 port and 2 position. What are the 2 ports? 2 port 2 position means the 2 port are the inlet port or supply port. A is the working port. If the P2A, the flow direction, that means P2A, if the flow is there, if it will be T section, that means flow is shut up. As you can see here, this is your lever controller, lever actuation, spool type, 2 by 2 directional control. So here, you can see here, valve is closed. There is no connection between the P2A. So if the valve will be swallowed, the manually will actuate the lever, then if the spool will be move forward, right hand direction, right hand side, and P2A, the flow will be there, and there is a spring is there, which will be actuator bring back the spool to the original position. That is your 2 by 2. 3 by 2 directional control valve can be used in the single acting cylinder and the open valve. 3 by 2 means 3 port. What are the 3 ports? P is your supply port, A is your working port, and there is another port that is known as your exhaust port, E. So open valve in the middle will be closed until P to A are connected. The another valve open will be still that P2. You can see here, normally closed type. In the left hand side, there is flow in the right hand side. So see here P to A, the flow is there and exhaust port is closed. Here A to E, A to E. From the working tube to the exhaust, the air will be exhaust and the body in normally open type, so flow is there. So in the right hand side, it is a closed type. The right hand side, this one is a flow type. P2A, there is flow. So flow will be directed by the direction, that is this direction. Let me show you. If 3 by 2 is there, so 3 port, 2 position. So 2 position, see, 2 position means 2 square are there, 2 position. So in the right hand side, we can show the valve is closed. So if I show the closed type, normally closed, it is spring, return, or solenoid actuated, you can say spring actuated. So see, so there are 3 port, one is your pressure supply port P, supply port from the reservoir. A port is your working port into the cylinder, and there is a exhaust port. That is E, exhaust port. So what two position will be possible? First, in the first position, suppose P2A, there will be flow. If P2A, the flow will be there, the cylinder will be, the piston will be actuated forward, then that exhaust valve will remain in closed position. So in the second position, what will happen? If the P2A, the air will be flow and the piston will be moved forward, then the piston will be then distracted to the original position. So in the original position, what will happen? The air inside the working port A will be adjusted by the E port to the E port, and which port is closed? Which the P port is remaining closed position. So these two positions will be possible. These two positions will be possible. Three-way valve. The three-way valve available is a normal open or normal closed operating condition. These valves are used for control the single acting and spring return cylinder. Single acting and spring any load of the pressure. The valves are also pilot or air operated. So normally closed three-way valve. Normally closed. As you can see, when unactuated, the block actuated, when it will be unactuated means there will block the flow. Okay, and connect the outlet port. See here. From the working port A, it will be exhaust and inlet port, supply port will be closed. This is the spring actuated. In the normally in the open position, what will happen in the normal position? There will be flow from P to A, supply port to working port. There will be exhaust port is remain in closed position. So this is the position. This is your three-way valve. When unactuated, the pass inlet flow to the outlet flow and block the exhaust. When actuated, the inlet flow is blocked and outlet port is connected to the exhaust. Let's see, you can see here. So when see here, when in and out, so when P to A there will be connection, the air will be flow inside the cylinder, the piston will be actuated or move forward, then piston will be returned back. When the piston will get the air inside the cylinder, what will happen? That will be adjust, that the two position will be, that will be available, and that will be possible. So you can see here, three-way valve is a normally closed type, because here from A to E exhaust will be there, from P to A normally open type, P to A flow will be there. We are considering the right side of the valve. Then we will go for your 5 by 2 DCB. So it is used in most of the automation company to operate the pneumatic actuator like pneumatic cylinder. It has 5 port and 2 position. What are the 5 port? Port P is the inlet of air, AB is the cylinder for cylinder port. If though two inlet to the cylinder, that means that is a double acting cylinder. And what are the, there is a 3, and other two ports are exhaust port. So see here, supply port P, A is the working port into the cylinder, B is also working port, and E1, E2 are the exhaust port. You can see here S1 and S2. S1, S2 means this is a solenoid actuator. This is the actuator A entry, two enter position A and B. P is the supply port, E is E1 and E2 is the exhaust, and this is a spool type valve, and it is used in double acting cylinder. So when we energize the left solenoid, that is S1, then the magnetic field will be generated and spool the valve in the right hand side. So this is the normal position. See, there will be no collection between P2A. What will happen? The valve will be spool in the right hand side. When the valve will be spool in the right hand side, the P2A, there will be flow. And what will happen? In the A side or B side, the low compressed air after doing the work that will be come out from the exhaust port. Then P2A there will be flow, and B2E2 there will be exhaust when we are energized solenoid S1. So how we can represent our two positions? See, P2A there will be flow and B2E2 there will be exhaust, and E1 port is remaining closed position. You can see clear. So two solenoid is used. So this is the graphical two position. 5 by 2 means two position. What are the 5 port? P, A, B. 3, E1, E2. 2. 5 plus 3, 5 plus 2. Sorry, 3 plus 2, that is the 5 ports are available. And this is solenoid, this symbol, because it will be solenoid actuated. So this is the solenoid symbol. Two solenoids are used. So when S1 solenoid will be energized, the spool valve will be moved right hand side because the air is passed through because of that the air will be passed through the P2A. This air make the piston to move forward, and from the other side of the cylinder pass through the port B to E2 to the surrounding, and it will be sent to the surrounding. This is the first position. Second position, when we energize the right solenoid, that is S1, S2, what will happen? Then spool will be, then magnetic field will be generated, and spool valve to left side, and spool the valve to left side, and air from inlet port P to air from the port inlet port P pass to the B port, and air makes the piston to move in the reverse direction, and the air in the other side of the piston will be moved from A to E1, and in that case E2 valve in closed position. So you can see A to E1 the flow will be there, and P to B, what will happen? P to B the flow to the cylinder, and E2 valve is remain in closed position. Clear? So this is your 5 by 2 valve. You can see. Then what is the then we will go for 5 by 3 valve. What is 5 by 3 valve? It has 5 port and 3 position. What are the 5 port? P is the pressure port for the inlet air. AB is the cylinder port for the outlet of the air. Outlet to the cylinder port for cylinder port, and E1, E2 that is used for exhaust of air. It is the connector, the pneumatic cylinder through pipe, and the remaining two port E1 and E2 used for exhaust. It has two magnetic coil on the both sides. What is that? S1 and S2, which is called solenoid coil. You can see the representation of solenoid like this. When we connect this coil to the electric supply, then coil generate magnetic field and valve get operated. So there are three positions: first, second, third. In the first position, all the valve in closed position. P, E2, E1, A, B, all are in closed position. Then when we energize solenoid S1, what will happen? The spool will be moved in the right hand direction. Pull the valve in right hand direction. The P2A, the flow will be there, and B to E2, there will be exhaust. Then if we energize the S2 solenoid, then what will happen? The magnetic field generators pull the valve in the right hand side. Because of that, the P from port P to B there will be supply, and from A to E1 there will be exhaust, and E2 valve will remain in closed position. So these are the 5 by 2 and 5 by 3 DCB. As you can see here, the direction and the position. Then next we will discuss about non-return valve. What is non-return valve? Non-return valve allow the air to flow in one direction. As you know that non-return. So when air flow in opposite direction, the valve will be closed, and another name is non-return valve, that is known as a Poppet valve. Then we will discuss about your flow control valve. Next we will discuss about flow control valve. So what do you mean by flow control valve? The flow control valve that regulate the speed of the pneumatic cylinder by controlling the flow rate. Flow control means it will be control the flow rate to the actuator. This may be simple or fixed orifice, that means a disc with a hole, you can see here, or it may be, or it is adjustable needle type. can see here adjustable needle.